As we age and our skin loses elasticity, some of those acne scars may appear more prominent. Scarring from acne is actually harder to treat than lines and wrinkles. Acne scars are often a combination of large scarred down pores, rolling shallow scars, and other firmer, what we might call bound down or tight scars. A combination of therapies is generally needed. We'll often use fractionated lasers to resurface the skin. I like the fractionated erbium laser, but you can also use a fractionated carbon dioxide laser. These are lasers that cause thermal heating zones in the skin with then skip areas adjacent that allow you to heal in faster. For acne scars, generally 3 to 5 treatments of any of these procedures are going to be needed, usually at 4-week or more intervals. We also use fillers for some of the scars that are either rolling or that get worse with age. As we age and our skin loses elasticity, some of those acne scars may appear more prominent. By giving the skin more structure, you won't see some of those wrinkles and lines and the acne scars within them as much. Individual acne scars can also be treated. There's another procedure called subcision where the bound down scars are released by using a special needle underneath. That's something that only some doctors do, but is often combined with the other procedures. Overall, try to avoid acne scarring by seeing a dermatologist early on if your acne is not responding to treatment. Also, never pick your acne because that can make any acne into a scarring acne.